Hey, what's up, everyone? Let's hop on here and do a quick review unboxing of the HIPTIS 10-inch lint roller. And this is going to be great if you have pets or you've got a dog or a cat and there's pet hair everywhere, all over your clothes, all over your couches. And also, I mean, as you're going to see later on in the video, it does have a long handle, so you can pretty much get to anywhere and clean up anywhere. So let's get everything here out of the box and let's kind of show what's inside. All right, so now that we've got everything here out of the box, it does come with the frame itself, and then there's also there's 3 refills of 50 sheets, so you have a total of 150 sheets inside the box. And these are basically just like the smaller lint rollers that you would see in your pocket, except they're a lot larger. Now the handle itself is really tall. I'm about 6 foot tall. I want to say this is about a 4.5 or a 5 foot handle, so you will be able to reach a mess anywhere. Or if you're doing something on the floor, you're not going to have to bend over. And to refill and set up the rest of the lint roller, basically you're going to take off. There's a little plastic, a paper covering on the outside. We're going to remove that, and then this is just going to slot here on the side. I might need 2 hands to put this on. Hang on. All right, and then to get this started right now, this is actually not. This is actually not sticky to the touch, so this is actually rolled up here, so you're going to actually have to find the corner, and then just kind of peel this, and then this is going to peel off and reveal all of the stickiness. And then once you get all that peeled off and you see the blue, you're now ready to use this as a lint roller. And overall, I mean, I think it's a well-built product. It's really simple. I like the long handle that you can actually get into harder to reach places. And again, having the really big roller means that you can clean up really big messes. And it'll take a long time before this actually before you actually have to tear off and get to the replace the sheet, basically. Overall, it's a simple product. It's well built, it's well engineered, and I do recommend it. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.